Looks like I'm not gonna be very active today. Again, GUSH, I know, I took half size this time. I couldn't resist. You know, it retested the 20 EMA on the 60, but in a week, I couldn't resist. What can I say, man? I had to, okay? I had to. I'm addicted to GUSH. I'm addicted to oil. I need to hedge the fuel prices. It's gonna cost a fortune to get fuel for my new boat. Did I confirm GUSH on the tick chart? Oh yes, I did. I confirmed on the tick chart. You know, it had a green candle on the tick chart and I bought it. That's all I needed to know. No need to complicate things. TSM EP below the 50-day, below all these declining moving averages. There is no such thing as an EP when a chart looks like this. Generally TDW. Yeah, looks like all these other oil names. Nothing special, but yeah, looks good. RAD. Looks like you're gonna lose money on it if you buy it. Yeah. I have nothing to look. I mean, there is nothing to watch. Like, I just don't see anything to do. I don't see anything to do. I'll just manage my portfolio. Soybeans. Yeah, corn too, right? Wheat. My guess is food is gonna get more expensive. That's my prediction. IMTE. Looks like looks like someone is liquidating. Do they have toxic financing? Because when companies have toxic financing, this is what the chart looks like usually. It goes down 50%, another 50%, and another 50%, and another 50%. Yeah, SQM is one. Definitely. I'd rather wait for the 50-day to catch up. ALB is another one. These lithium names, yeah, they are kind of flagging, some of them. Elon buying Twitter. Elon is not gonna buy Twitter. I don't think they're gonna sell Twitter. Also, I got stopped out of LHX yesterday. I don't know why this one is so weak. LMT is holding up well. LMT just keeps going higher. Yeah, CLF. I was looking at it yesterday, but nah. I think it's better to 50-day can catch up. I saw some setups emerging on the scan yesterday. Nothing is ready yet, but next week we could start having some setups. Some new setups. I don't remember which ones in my head right now. Thoughts on SLB? Just another oil name. A little bit slow. Oil equipment services. Yeah. I think it may be better to. I mean, yeah, it looks like a good setup, but it's a slower name. If you can, there's a lot of oil names. Find faster moving ones. This is a huge stock. There's hundreds of oil names. Find a similar setup with higher ADR. There's a lot of them. Or an oil ETF. Like NRGU, for example. Or maybe not this one, but car, yeah, I saw it. Yeah, it looks okay. Looks decent. Actually came back after its little pop back in early November. That was insane. Yeah, X keeps going. Let's go. Let's go to 50. FCX, nice. Not a bad setup actually. Should I add? How many shares do I have? No, I'm not gonna add. Or I could. Nah. My specific entry criteria. If it goes up, you buy. If it's a good setup, starts going, you click the buy button. That's my specific entry criteria. GTE. Yeah, another oil gas name. Looks like 100 others. This is a little bit higher ADR. Good for small accounts. Definitely. Have we lifted the rule of no talking? Well, the thing is, the markets are pretty, they're pretty slow nowadays. So I've kind of relaxed that rule. It's nothing like 2020, early 2021. That was just crazy. Yeah, life-changing years. 2020, early 2021. Insane. Never gonna make that easy money like that again. My latest EP trade, I don't even remember when I traded an EP. I remember this BE back in October. I remember that one. Other than that, I don't remember when I traded an EP. Was it UPSD? I don't remember. Oh, didn't I trade UPSD? Didn't I trade it on the EP here? I don't remember. I did? I probably sold like super early, right? I sold it like an idiot. Probably. I tried, yeah, I remember the MU, yeah. I tried it here. Oh yeah, here too, yeah. I bought it here too. But yeah, I remember that. It got rejected at the sideways 100. Not considering CrowdStrike question mark? Yes. I'm cutting off. Oh, I was cutting off. We're talking about UPST. Ah, I see. That's an instant classic. So good. Yeah, he did top tick UPST. UPST was literally like a day before topping or something, or day after. But that's what sell rules are for, right? Well, they laugh at Minverini because he wasn't honest. He should have just said, "Look, I don't know what the hell they do." Instead, he's like, "Oh, my sound is cutting out." That's why people laugh, not because he didn't know what the stock company did. You should watch the interview. You will understand. Yeah, that's my question too. He's been in the game for like what, 30 years? He should be a billionaire. Why isn't he a billionaire? Why is he selling a bunch of... Why does he have a chat room? Like, what the fuck, man? I don't know. One of the mysteries of life. Yeah, and if he scaled up his trading, he would make hundreds of millions. LPI 9-month flag. Looks like a huge laggard in the oil gas sector. Why isn't this thing moving with oil going higher? Exactly, 15% year to date. I don't even know how my numbers for the year. I really don't care. Just have to focus on the process. And I'm not completely happy with my process so far this year. I missed some pretty big trades. On the other, I do it every year, but still. Do I remember any users? Yeah, there was this guy had a really good method, SD50, CK Bergen, I think his name was. I studied the method, it's very solid. It's more like if you only want a few entries per, a few times per year to enter stocks. If you want a position trading method that's solid, CK Bergen, SD50 method. That's a solid method, but it's a very low vol. You only get a few times per year to enter stocks. All right, guys. Hey, guys, have a great Easter. See you on Monday, I guess, right? I guess so. All right, guys, take care.